Hey guys, it's Angie. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel today. I hope all of you guys are doing well and are staying healthy. For today's video, I want to share with you guys my chicken tinga recipe. So tinga is basically shredded chicken in a sauce made with Roma tomatoes, chipotle peppers, and adobo sauce. And basically you can add this to anything, you guys. You can put it on top of tostadas, which is what I do. You can also put it on top of sopes or even make tacos with it. It is amazing. So if you guys want to see how it is that I make this recipe, stay tuned. We need some chicken for this recipe. Here I have 2 chicken breasts, and both of them together weigh a little bit over 2 pounds. Alright guys, and here are the rest of the ingredients that we're gonna need for our chicken tinga. We're gonna need just 1 tablespoon of oil. We're gonna need a can of chipotle chili peppers and adobo sauce. I like mine spicy, you guys, so I go ahead and add 2 jalapeno peppers. And we're gonna need 6 Roma tomatoes. And I like to add beef chorizo to my tinga, you guys. It just gives it a really, and even more smoky flavor to it, and I love that. I'm gonna put the tomatoes and the chiles in a oven at 350 so they can go ahead and char for me. You can also char them on top of the stove, but I just rather just put them inside the oven. That's a lot easier for me. Alrighty guys. Hey guys, so here I am putting the tomatoes and the chiles in the oven. They are gonna be cooking at 350 for 20 minutes. Alright guys, since we have previously cooked our chicken before we cook the tomatoes and the chiles, while that cooks, you can go ahead and start shredding the chicken, which is what I'm going to do right now. So just shred the chicken into, as if you're going to make chicken salad, you know, just very fine pieces of chicken. Just like this. And remember you guys, I have almost a little bit over 2 pounds, and you can have more or less chicken depending on how much you want to make. Alright guys, I will see you when I am done shredding the chicken. Okay, so I am done shredding the chicken, you guys, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna start cooking the chorizo, the beef chorizo. And after the chorizo is done cooking, we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken to it, and we're gonna mix it in. Okay guys, it's time to cook our chorizo. So what I'm gonna do is spray the skillet with some non-cooking spray. I have my heat at medium-high heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the chorizo to it. So here's one, and here's the other one. And you guys, chorizo tends to splatter, so I go ahead and lower the temperature up to like a number 4, and then I just cover it and I let it cook with the steam, and then I open it again and I start to like basically smash it around. But yeah guys, it splatters, so be careful with your clothes, okay? Alrighty you guys, so as you can see, it's splattered. It's been cooking for a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead, and with the spatula just start to try to smash it. And more. Oh yeah, this thing splatters, you guys. Be very careful with your clothing. Put an apron on. Or one of your husband's t-shirts. That's what I do. Alright, so alright, it has calmed down. Marvelous, darling, marvelous. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and put it back to medium-high heat, and I'm just gonna let it cook. And I will see you guys when it has finished cooking. Alright, you guys, so the chorizo is cooked, and what I did, you guys, is I tried draining out most of the grease that it released, just so I can have more clean chorizo to work with. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken. And you guys, the chorizo still has a lot of its own fat, so I'm gonna skip out on the oil. So do not add any oil. I will add oil sometimes, but honestly, it doesn't need it, guys. You guys don't need any more oil in this. So let me grab the chicken. We're gonna go ahead and add it. My hands are cleaned. Chicken smells good. It smells like chicken. It's a big piece. I need to shred that a little more. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. And then we're gonna shred this piece a little more here. And this one. All right. And now we're gonna mix it. Mix all the chorizo with the chicken. Oh, you guys, I put my heat back on low for this part, okay? That way that chorizo doesn't burn. Nuke, nuke, nuke. I promise you guys, I shred this chicken. Maybe it came back together in the fridge. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. Alrighty. There you go. Just mix it until it's all completely mixed. And what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna let the chicken brown a little with the fat of the chorizo and the chorizo. That way the flavors can combine. So I put my heat back on medium low. So just let it sit there for a while. Don't cover it. It's only gonna add moisture, and you don't want more moisture in this. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, you guys, and make the salsa now so that we can go ahead and add it once this has browned. All right, let's do this. Alrighty, you guys, so I have my tomatoes, my chiles, jalapeno peppers, and my chipotle peppers. I added a little bit of the adobo sauce, and I only added 2 of the chipotle peppers, you guys, because if not, it's gonna be too spicy. If you like it really spicy, by all means, you guys, add the whole can. Power with you. And I also added some salt and 1/4 cup of water. But yeah, guys, I don't want this super spicy because I really don't. All right, I'm gonna blend it, you guys, and then I'll meet you back at the stove with the chicken and the chorizo. All right. Alrighty, you guys, so I went ahead and give it a little blend here with a little turn on the chicken, and it's perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the salsa. Yummy! We're gonna cover all the chicken with it, and you guys go ahead and lower the heat a little more up to a number 4 on your stove. If you don't have a number 4, it's like a really, it's low. I don't know how else to describe it. Alrighty. Keep on mixing it. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to let it boil for a little bit, you guys, and then I'm going to taste it on salt. I did add salt to the salsa, but we might need some more. Who knows? So go ahead and just let it sit there for a little while. I'm not going to cover it just because, like I said, every time I cover something, it just adds some more moisture, and this has enough moisture. So I'm just going to let it boil. I'm going to put it back on medium heat, let it boil, and then I'm going to go ahead and taste it for salt, and we'll be ready to assemble our tostadas. Alright? Alrighty, guys, so our tinga has began to boil, and I already tasted it. It does need a little bit of salt. Just go ahead and add it. Then we're gonna blend it. Ooh, alrighty. Okay, let me taste it one more time. Perfection. All right, let's go ahead and turn this off, and we're gonna get ready to assemble our tostadas. Hey guys, here are our tostadas ready to be enjoyed and devoured by hungry people. I added some romaine lettuce to the top, along with some cotija cheese and some Mexican sour cream. Also, you guys, there are times where I spread refried beans to the bottom of the tostada before I add the chicken. I didn't feel like having beans today, so I didn't do that, but you can definitely do that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next week for another video. Please subscribe and like the video if you wish. Thank you guys so much. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.